This super simple Tulle tutu tutorial will teach you how to make a quick tutu for a Halloween costume, or if you just feel like being a princess for the day. It is a no-sew tutorial that just uses strips of tulle or netting material to create a fluffy tutu. You can use this for a kid's costume or an adult's costume, whatever you want. So to start with, you want to cut out some big strips of tulle that are like 4 to 6 inches wide. It doesn't matter exactly. You'll want to cut a lot of these strips, so like 40 to 50 strips. Maybe for a kid's tutu, you can get away with slightly less. And you want them to be double the length of what you want your final tutu to be. Now for the waistband. All you need is a scrap of fabric that is long enough to tie around your waist. Make a note of the place where it's tied, and then untie it and knot both ends or mark both ends so that you know how much length you need to fill with the tulle. Now get your strips of tulle fabric. Fold the strip in half and then loop the tulle around the belt and knot it in place. Repeat for all the rest of the tulle strips that you have. And that's it. That's all you're doing. You're knotting tulle strips to the belt. And you want to layer as many as you can so you can get a nice full tutu. And that's it. You've finished. You just have to tie it around your waist and you're finished.